say, hey, I want the old Kanye, blah, blah, blah. But one thing they will do, they will play this interview in 5 years. They will play this interview in 10 years and say, he called that, he called that, he called that. He said that was gonna happen, that was gonna change. Go listen to all my music. It's the codes of self-esteem. It's the codes of who you are. If you're a Kanye West fan, you're not a fan of me, you're a fan of yourself. You will believe in yourself. I'm just the espresso. I'm just a shot in the morning to get you going. To make you believe that you can overcome that situation that you're dealing with all the time. Just like that, when someone comes up and says something like, I am a god, everybody says, who does he think he is? I just told you who I thought I was, a god.
My life, my joy, my faith, looks up to thee. You're the only power that can save this world today. You're the only power that can save this world today. Yeah.
told you who I thought I was. A guy. Go listen to all my music. It's the codes of self-esteem. It's the codes of who you are. If you're a Kanye West fan, you're not a fan of me, you're a fan of yourself. You will believe in yourself. I'm just the espresso. I'm just the shot in the morning to get you going. To make you believe that you can overcome that situation.
I just wanna feel liberated. I just wanna feel liberated.
Where just like that, when someone comes up and says something like, I am God, everybody
Tell me
says,
who in here can relate.
I just told you who I thought I was. A God.
Now if I fuck this mom,
I am the number one most impactful artist of our generation. I am Shakespeare in the flesh. Walt Disney, Nike,
we was down
Google.
to Tribeca. She get under your skin if you let her. She get under your skin. I don't even wanna talk about it. I don't even wanna talk about it. I don't even wanna say nothing. Everybody gon' say something. I'll be worried if they say nothing.
He called that.
Remind me where I know you from.
He said that was gonna happen. That was gonna change. Go listen to all my music. It's the codes of self-esteem. It's the codes of who you are. If you're a Kanye West fan, you're not a fan of me, you're a fan of yourself. You will believe in yourself. I'm just the espresso. I'm just the shot in the morning to get you going. To make you believe that you can overcome that situation that you're dealing with all the time.
I just wanna feel liberated. I just wanna feel liberated. If I ever instigated, I'm sorry. Tell me who in here can relate.
Beautiful morning, yeah, the sun